Welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel. Today we are explore how to create metallic surface shine using Color Dodge and Photoshop. I open Photoshop and import a metallic product onto a clean canvas, leaving space around it. I duplicate the layer and switch the duplicate's blend mode to Color Dodge, instantly brightening edges. I reduce opacity to make highlights natural. Next, I add a black mask to hide all glow initially. Using a soft brush at low opacity, I paint light on reflective areas and contours where metal naturally catches light. I pause and zoom out frequently, feeling the emotional impact of the shine. I slightly blur the Color Dodge layer for smooth transitions. I adjust opacity again, ensuring